Bang it. Jeje fatigue. Cheikh on the bump. Jeje fatigue. Cheikh Ndigeuel far back. That means I went all the way to Touba. Sat with Cheikh Ndigeuel fall. He gave me a lesson. And I'm back. Alright, look. Halloween. In special edition, I don't celebrate them African. But Cheikh Model Kara General is in the building. Okay, so we gonna do a little shindig, and imagine I was at the Senegaleese airport. This is me at the Senegaleese airport. General Model Kara, ladies and gentlemen, BARKEY, tALIBAY, all that.
Wow, defe naa bu ñu nee dañu koy sant fii ci Sénégal kenn du ne wër ta am te démb ba tubaab yi noté réew mi ñu dajale leen ca bureau ba fa Ndar mu nekk juróom-ñett fukk ak ñeent tubaab ba ni leen da ngeen di signé ne man fii maa fi wutu yàlla ngeen signé loolu.
Waaw.
83 yëpp signé.
Waaw.
moom képp mu gàntal ni du signé.
Amiin.
ba ñu yóbbu ko fi ñu ko yóbbu.
I know that's right.
pendant 33 ans yi mu nekk ci seeni loxo.
I know that's right, baby.
bu tawee bu ñu nee dañu koy sant fii yaakaar naa kenn du ñu wër saam.
Yeah. Zxulu. Byfalle Zxulu. tALIBAY, Sheikh tALIBAY, Cheikh Ndigeuel. I'm back. Yeah, I'm looking for, I just got to Senegal for the Mayal. I'm looking for Cheikh Touba Picture. Yeah. You know a lot about the Cheikh. Who took this picture? What was the name of the dude that took this picture? You don't know? You get out of here. I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to the Cheikh that knows the name of the man that took this picture. I want to talk to that Cheikh. Move. Next. I'm saying Jahrstafari, by the way. 1947 times. Jahrstafari. Seigne Touba. Bamba fep everywhere. Bamba fep. Also, I want to know if Cheikh Touba was a vegetarian. Cheikh Touba ate meat? Who took this picture and was Cheikh Touba a vegetarian? Ask your Cheikh that for me, okay? One of you tALIBAY people. Go ask your Cheikh. Other than that, get the hell out my way. I don't want to talk to you. You do not have knowledge. I need higher knowledge. Who took this picture? I don't want to hear the family member mess. You mean to tell me nobody honored the person that took the picture of the Cheikh? Nobody knows his name? Her name? We want to give thanks to that person. Without this picture, we wouldn't even be... What? I think I know who took that picture, by the way. I'm looking for Cheikh Touba. I know Seigne Touba is still alive. I know it. You cannot fool me, Senegal. I know that he's still alive. I know Serigne Touba is still alive.